using spend correctly. Which is correct? Number 1. Robbie, video games. Spends his time playing, spending his time on, spent his time to play, spends his time to play. Spends his time playing. 2. Emmy, a new dress. Spent $300, spent $300 on, spending $300, to spend $300 on. Spent $300 on. 3. Dad, the kids. Spends a lot of time, spends a lot time for, spends a lot of time with, spending a lot of time on. Spends a lot of time with. 4. That computer. Spent too much money, spent too much money on, spend too much money, spending too much on. Spent too much money on. 5. What do you like? Spend your time on. Spending your time to do. To spend your time doing. Spend your time doing. To spend your time doing. To see more videos like this, click on the link above. Or check out our websites for more free English learning resources, eslgo.com and freeenglishstudy.com.